Today we will learn how to find the midpoint of a line joining 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2. Let us take a line, name it as A and B, and the coordinates of A and B let it be x1, 1, y1, and B coordinates of B are x2 and y2. Now the midpoint, our target is to find out the midpoint. Let us say this is the midpoint and the coordinates are x, y. Now we have to find out the midpoint. Now you have to recollect the formula of section. Section formula you have to recollect. Already we have done it. So now P is dividing the ratio in the let us say P is dividing the ratio in the ratio M1 is to M2. Okay, because section formula needs a ratio. So P is dividing into AB into M1 and M1 is to M2. So that implies M1 is equal to M2. Let us say is equal to 1 because it has ratio M1 by M2. Both are equal. Let us say 1. Okay. So keep these values M1, M2 as 1. Now let us write here. What is the section formula? P is equal to, the formula goes like this: M2 x1, M1 x2 by M1 plus M2, M2 y1 plus M1 y2 by M1 plus M2. Now in this M1, M2 in the place of M1, M2, let us write 1. So then, because they are equal, so let us write 1. So this will become x1 plus x2 by 1 plus 1, y1 plus y2 by 1 plus 1, which is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So you can write 1 or 1k, whatever, you will be getting the same answer. So this is the formula for midpoint. So midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by. Now let us have a example how the midpoint is to be calculated. Let us take an application. For example, there is a circle and center, let us say center is O. Let us take a diameter. The ends of the diameter be A and B. So let the coordinates of A is 3 and 4 and the coordinates of B are, let us say, 7 and 2. Now we have to find out the coordinates of center. From the figure, find the coordinates of O. So O is equal to, now here what formula you have to write? Because O is the center of the diameter, that means OA is radius and OB is also radius, and O becomes the midpoint of the diameter. So here we have to use the midpoint formula. First write down the formula and then substitute the values. Always you should be able to write the formula first, because sometimes you will be having marks for the formula. So x1 is 3 and x2 is 7 by 2, y1 is 4 and y2 is 2, 4 plus 2 by 2. So 3 plus 7 is equal to 10, 10 by 2 is 5 and 4 plus 2 is equal to 6, 6 by 2 is 3. So the coordinates of the center is very important question.